My rate card, 3 million naira. This.
You're my mouth. Why?
This. Hi guys, we're done installing the hair. This is what it looks like. So it's actually a glueless frontal. So now we're going to be going to the second segment, which is
Makeup.
makeup.
So let's see how he does on makeup. I'm putting on the hot seat. Let's see if he slid makeup with his hair.
So I've washed my hands actually, and this is snail whatever snail.
Guy, I've done my prep.
Oh, you've done it.
I've done my prep because I don't trust you that way. He's going to go to foundation. I brought 3 different foundations for him, so I want him to choose my perfect shade. And I want you all to watch the shade he chooses.
Okay, so let's.
So tell them the shade.
Let's.
Each shade as you apply. Tell them what shade it is as the
So
foundation.
this one is.
Come.
There's no name on this one.
This is the NYX Born to Glow foundation.
Okay, so this one is.
Yeah, and this shade is caramel. Look at the shades are written here. Yeah, that's actually darker than me. You can try it though.
Why is it coming out like this? Coming out like sheep.
It's watery, it's not thick.
Okay, so this one has nothing. So we're going to go with this and this. So let's do this,
Like
this.
You're my mouth. Why?
Calm down.
My mouth.
This. Then contour.
On the hair.
This. Okay. Now it's time. Let's go, guys.
Guys, I'm scared.
Scared of what?
Is this shade even shady?
He has to shade. What are you saying?
You guys are going to rate his makeup skills over 10.
And I'm going to do this makeup under 10 minutes. So let's watch.
Look, I'm not going to be white as snow.
You'll be white as if you're in heaven. Is that?
Hey, this is my hand. This is my hand. The makeup.
Turn on this.
So why did you choose this shade of foundation?
Because I don't want to make you black.
You know, when we're makeup artists, we talk about undertones and stuff, but just look at him hairstylist. He said he doesn't want to make me black.
Like this.
That's the reason.
Contour, the nose.
So now what he's doing is he's contouring. What shade are you using to contour?
I use that brown one.
What's the name?
I don't know.
Bring it, let's show them.
This is the brown one.
I brought stick foundation for contouring, but obviously
No, but
he
I
chose
don't
to
want to
use
use
the
This
foundation.
one I'm using.
So he's using cappuccino for bring it through. Let me show them what to use. No, I'm hitting me, Jesus. You're literally punching me.
But I think I still want to go in.
So this foundation is actually beautiful. You guys can see how beautiful this foundation was.
Sorry.
Pretty. And you guys, he did not even think of priming my face. That is my
I thought you said you've done
I did
prep.
skin prep. I did not prime.
Where are you going to?
He didn't prime my
Where are you
face.
going
He
to?
just went straight on -1 point.
I'm using the L whatever.
Yeah, this is a medium warm. He's saying whatever. You guys look at.
This is not frontal now, so how am I supposed to know what I'm using? But
This is a medium warm. Elf hydrating concealer.
from the container you can tell. So look up. So we'll do.
Yes, he's giving us
Like stand like this.
pro vibes. Clean girl beat.
Good. Anytime. I can blend more than your faves.
Don't pound you.
So let's just, put it in the skin. Now where's the pounding?
No, it's better now. But you were literally pounding me. It's a lot more gentle now. You guys can see that all the times he's been working with makeup artists, he has been learning. So do you have a look on my eyes? Are we going glam in my eyes?
We're going down. We're not climbing up. Before we go and spoil it.
So we're going like natural and new.
Makeup by what's that people's favorite MUA's maybe?
Our favorite anyway. Do you have a favorite?
The one you watch on YouTube.
I watch a lot.
So which is your favorite? Spencer. This black opal thing.
Stick foundation. This is a beautiful brand.
Okay, these are pretty.
Not purpose powder for faces. It's just foundation to press.
They have just left me now.
It would have spot it where you need it.
Let me give you,
Snatched.
you know?
You want to say people who start with snatched. So.
Okay, so let's blend this.
We're blending.
So to make this whole thing like sink in, so I'm using Laifa. Oh, sorry, Mirac. It's Laifa.
Yeah, but it's not.
So this is Mirac.
In ginger.
Ginger. To set. So first, I like to like push in first. And no, that's, you get it? Then let's go look up. Keep looking up. So I like to stay as if I'm doing it all the time. Just stay here. So you can look.
My face is sweet to put makeup on, right?
Yes.
But seriously, my face is actually sweet to put makeup on.
So you can look awake. So I don't like to pack in. Pack. Just small. That place not open. I said that place don't open. No. So like this. Let's do the style. Tamara style. My rate card, 3 million naira. White wedding, 5 million traditional marriage.
Guys, you'll be judging is worth it.
Is what are you saying? Are you just saying this? God damn. So I'm using
This is Dabel.
Dabel. So let's just powder the face.
Into foundation on my neck.
Do you do foundation on the neck?
You do foundation on your neck.
Me, I do powder. My madam talks with me powder.
Which one is your madam? So you let makeup.
You know what I wanted to do?
Oh,
No, but I didn't let makeup.
I know you definitely not. Oh, you're really, this is really a beat, you guys. This how many touching my face, oh God.
No. Do the nose.
So he's doing my nose contour right now. So you're doing powder contour. I have a bronzer there though.
Oh, yeah. So, my goodness. Gel first to set the eyebrows. So guys, it's time for the eyebrows and I'm using Beauty Line by GD. So you guys, I'm going to be using this shade in, what do you call this shade in? Use it for the brows. I'm using Blossom whatever. I'm going for a very subtle eyes. Eye time. Look up. Just keep looking up. Ooh. This part, you have to drop your phone. This part, too. It's fine, though. Drop your phone, drop your phone. Close your eyes. It's time for mascara. I'll be using the Zara mascara. It's lash time.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance. I'm not here
That you well
Okay.
us tonight for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know.
Look up.
Hi, zombie.
You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us
Yummy. She said, yummy, 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 yum yum. Let's give light to the face, light to the face, light to the face, you know. So I'm going to use my spray. I don't know.
I don't know the way you beat it. They go really go see the puncher.
The skin. Yummy.
Let's get this one thing clear. You should know.
Hey guys, so we're done with this look and now it's time for me to see what I look like and let's review this look. I need a mirror, yeah. Yes. Woo. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, this hair is so beautiful, you guys. Of course we know slave. Obviously. My makeup is beautiful. The skin looks well done. The lips. Okay. Okay, so overall, I'm just gonna give this look a 7/10, which is the pass mark. Yes, because I'm a perfectionist.
7/10.
Yes, 7/10 is an A, literally.
When
for
your
me,
face
it's
match
an
your
A.
body.
Yes,
Your
7
face
over
can
10.
never.
And I don't know why you're complaining. 7 over 10 is awesome. For somebody that is not a makeup artist.
Hi guys, welcome back once again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys will give your honest rating in the comments below. So hair smashed, makeup smashed, your faith can never, honestly. But just leave a review in the description below. So tell me if I did well on a scale of 10. So if you like me, I know you'll be by my side. So you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that. And also don't forget to subscribe to her. So her name is Isabel Umahi. I'm also going to leave a link to her channel in the description below. So it's going to be easy for you to go subscribe to her channel. So is there anything you want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below. And I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon. I am back and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
One thing clear. You should know. You're looking at a self-made woman.